So this game is called Squirrel Stapler. I've never played this game before. It has really good reviews. I would say it was a little pricey, but you know, maybe it's good. So let's check it out. Let's go hunt. What is this? We came here to get away from it all, so that our love might. I'm gonna read that. Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish she were beautiful, like the squirrels of the wood. And so I will cover her in squirrels of the wood. What the? What? Well, I did miss some of the dialogue, but you can pause it and look back. What is this? Okay. Can I take anything out of there? No? What is that? Looks like a body. Okay, that's my bed. What's over here? What is this? Oh. Book of the Grove. The goat of the wood. Thou shalt not staple the squirrels. Okay. Oops. My bad. Okay, so in 5 days, God is coming. Uh-oh. What does that mean? Okay. Use the map default tab to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Okay. Nutty Nate's squirrel hunting tips. You can run. Okay, shift, I know that. Stay low. Use your ears. You can usually hear squirrels chattering moving before you can see them. The rifle's equipped with scope. Okay, I mean, I did read the instructions. Poison grass, do not eat. Okay, we got a squirrel. Oh man. Okay. Okay, so I'm guessing we're the yellow dot. Okay, let's go up here. Where are the squirrels? By the way, welcome to the chat, other users. Ooh. Okay, wait. How do I make the call? Settings. Uh-oh. Controls. Use call. But I am pressing F. No?
A few moments later.
I think I see something. I need to get a scope. Oh. Well, we found one. Well, that's just bullets. Let's go get the bullets. There's one. There's one. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, we need 3 more. Oh, there's another one right there. Was that one? Yes! Okay, so I'm not blind. Okay, we got this. We got this. Oh, we got it. If anyone here is an animal lover, I'm so sorry. Wow, we're all the way over here now. Okay, oops. So I heard this game can be a little scary, but I mean, at the moment, I mean, squirrels can survive a fall of as much as 30 feet and can jump up to 20 feet. Yeah, I could see that. So, um, yeah, so my call doesn't work when I press F, so I might have to wait like another day for that. What's over here? What is this? Holy crap. Squirrels can eat their body weight in food every... Yeah, that's true. I knew that one. Uh-oh, it's getting a little bit scarier over here. We're in the dark room. We're in the dark woods. Okay, we need... Oh, we already got the 5. Okay. Where are we at? Wow, we're far. Oops, sorry. Are we going the right way? Yes. Look how fast I am. Wait, what's in here? Once there was a lonely artist who lived by himself in the woods, desiring to ease his loneliness. He saved his meaner paintbrush, crafted. The artist loved his paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the woman with her hair. The creation, as imagined it must look, he was informed that due to the terrible mix-up of hair has actually come from a boar. Come back tomorrow for part 2. Okay, that's really... Okay. Strange story, but okay. Oh, there's a soda up there? Do we need the soda? No, we don't. We're almost there anyways. So we're here. Follow the path, follow the path. Where's my house? We have to be close. Yeah. There's my house. Oops, wrong room. Press action, default left mouse to staple the squirrels to your beloved. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, my bad. So I guess I have to sleep? What is this? Why they add that picture in the background? Okay. For the bushy tail is righteous and the all mother sight, and the chattering voice divine. Should not witches divine be? Okay. Interesting. In 5 days, God is coming. I must hunt the big. Oh, big squirrel. Use the map default tab. Okay, I know that. Use the call default. Okay, F. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, now we have the nice scream, the chirpy sound. I was like, why is it not working? Yeah, so on day one, I got confused because I would press F and I would hear like a sound, and I thought it was the call sound. But apparently no. Yeah, that sound right now, the bird. I thought that was the squirrel call. Okay. Okay, so we need 1 XL squirrel and 4 more normal ones, which are kind of huge anyways. Okay. Where are we at? Pardon me. I want to see what happens in 5 more days. I'm so curious. Oh, really? Okay, that looks like a normal squirrel. I hear something moving over here. How do I reload? Like, I'm pressing R and... Oh well. What does that sound? I heard like something burping. Okay, so I'm thinking that the XL squirrel will be like in the dark woods over here. I just need more ammo. Pardon me. A male squirrel can smell a female in heat from up to a mile away. I can see that. Dogs are like that too, right? Or like most animals can tell when the female's in heat. Okay, so now we need to find the big bastard. We have to find the Magumbo squirrel. So, oh, I'm going the wrong way. So we need to go northwest. I'm so fast. This is awesome. Although squirrels mostly eat nuts, seeds, and fruit, they have been known to eat insects, bird eggs, and even animal carcasses. Yee. What's that sound? Feel like we're getting closer. Where am I? Oh my. I walked all the way to the wrong spot. Okay, let's go back. Man, I suck. There we go. Okay. How did I miss that? What was that? What the hell was that? Well, that scared me. I don't need you, buddy. I need a big squirrel. Okay, we're close. We're close. Okay, it has to be here. It has to be here. What? Is it that? Where is it? What the fuck is that? It's like a weird ghost squirrel or something. Okay. Okay, I really need to find... Stop it. Squirrels cannot burp, vomit, or experience heartburn. Well, I do. Oh, I found some health. Oh, I should have got that. Okay, whatever. Is that a XL? No, it looks the same size. Yeah, oops. I can't find the squirrels. Well, the big squirrels.
3 weeks later.
Oh, we found one! Holy shit, that's huge! What the fuck? Look at this! Look at that! Wow, okay. So I guess they randomly just spawn? This game is so fucking weird. Okay, now we have to go all the way back. So I want to take this sody. This sody pop. It's gonna hurt. Yep. So let's go back to my cabin. Wow, that squirrel, the XL squirrel, took like 10 minutes to find. Oh, we've seen that already. Okay, we are back home. Oh, what's this? That's a lot of squirrels. I don't want squirrels, I want skin. Give me back my skin, or give me yours instead. Dang. You are sleeping. Well, good morning. We are in day 3. So what's gonna happen now? Something was scratching on the windows last night. Need to finish hunting before I go back inside. Oh, look! These are not normal squirrel tracks. Something out there's hunting me. There's freaking claw marks on my window. Okay. I hope I don't die. Okay, so I have to do the same thing as before. I need 1 big squirrel and 5 What is that sound? I'm scared. I hear like a tiger sound. I'm actually scared. What's over here? What the fuck is that? I saw something over here. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Oh, oh. Whoa! It almost killed me. Okay. Fuck. What the hell was that thing? What was that? Oh, yes. Okay. So, we still need to find the big squirrel. That didn't count. An XL squirrel. And a couple more normal squirrels, which they're also huge. What's that sound? What the fuck was that? What hit me? Do I have like ghost squirrels too hitting me and I can't do anything about it? No. Okay, good. We need two more. Oops. My bad. Okay, there's one there. So what do you guys think about this game so far? I need is a big squirrel now. A chunky squirrel. I swear, my old laptop is so bad that it literally freezes by nothing. I formatted my computer on my laptop, and it still sucks. Squirrels use chemosensory leg and feet hairs to identify food, then track it with their front antenna. I didn't know that. Oh shit. Yeah, that's not the squirrel that we need. Okay, where is the last squirrel? Oh, never mind. I already read that. Wait a minute. How do you reload faster? Okay, I guess there's no reload. Resume. It's right fucking there. I saw the big squirrel, but there's also an evil squirrel over there. Oh, fuck! I can't shoot it! It's too fast. Are you fucking kidding me? No, I died! Hunt fail. Restart day to try again. Remember, it's better to stay hidden than engage. Okay. Lesson learned. Don't kill those things. Oh, that sucks. I am so glad they did not put me on day one. Because I would be like, yeah, no thank you. Wait, is that the big one that I need? I'm going for that big one. I'm scared. Look at that. There's two of them? Please don't see me. Okay, we need to get the hell out of here. So I'm getting out of here. I don't care. I'm missing only one more squirrel. One more squirrel and we are done. Let's go. Really? So, what I've seen so far, there are normal squirrels. There's XL squirrels, which is the huge one, and then there's like these I don't know, demon Satan Satan squirrels from hell that can just explode. And then there's like ghost squirrels. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Uh-oh, what happened? Oh, wow. Okay. It's not in my bedroom anymore. This squirrel body person is sitting. What is this? The kitchen? The dining room? Living room? Okay. So I'm guessing I have to go back to bed. Yep. You are sleeping. Oh, hi. Oh, it's day 4. Okay, my bad. Okay, so I need 1 big squirrel and 4 more normal squirrels. Uh-oh. Squirrels are always watching. He's getting too close. Maybe I will become the squirrel. Why are you coming over here? Stay away. It's literally following me too. But if I shoot, it will come over here. Oh shit, biscuit. Fuck! I hate those things. Okay, we need to get health. Well, at least it's gone. What the fuck is that? Well, I'm all the way back to my cabin, okay. goodness, double squirrel. Okay, I need to get some health here. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's creepy. There it is. I feel bad shooting all these poor squirrels. Well, I guess it's like the only it's the only animal in this freaking forest, right? In this way the squirrel is good, and the lobster is bad. Wherefore squirrels may die, so the squirrels may live. Just as lobsters live, so the lobsters may die. Okay. Oh, I can hear the flies. Oh, is that a face? Kind of looks like a dog, right? You see the ears, the two eyes, and the nose? Okay, this is our last day. And I say unto you, in those final days the groves will bend and agonize worship, and the nutless man will be judged with his own industrial penetration and godless adhesion. So the stapler will become the stapled. What? God is coming today? God is coming today. What's gonna happen? What's up here? There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made her very, very angry. Well, shit. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you made her really angry. Okay. Am I gonna get killed by like a giant squirrel queen or something like that? No? I suck. I'm kind of getting scared right now. What's going to happen in the last day? Okay, I need one more big squirrel and we're done. Found you, fucker. Oh my god, I'm so far away. Let's get the soda, let's get the soda, let's get the soda. I'm so far away. Okay, good, I'm going the right way. We have to see God, we have to see God. I feel like I'm gonna get bukaked, you know what I mean? By this person. I must meet God. Oh shit, okay. We have 1 minute. We made it back. Let's see. What? God is coming? He's coming! I'm actually getting scared. Where are you? I'm scared. I'm actually getting nervous. Who are you? Oh no, 1 more second. God is here. What the fuck is that? You win. What the fuck was that?